So hi guys, for today's video is all about watching the rehearsal of the fireworks. Let's see. So hi guys, I'm here at the Marina Basin in front of Fullerton and Esplanade. So right now, as you can see that they have a lot of helicopter. So they're just doing a practice of the helicopter presentation for this coming Singapore Day on August 9. And at this moment, I'm just trying to look a right place for the fireworks presentation, though we cannot manage to go to the stage in front of stage because we need to book, or they have sometimes somehow they already have a lot of people already reserved in that place, so we're just staying at the back of the stage, but still we can manage to see the fireworks presentation. So at this moment guys, this is time of 6:40 in the evening. As you can see how beautiful the lights, and they cooperate at this moment. It because sometimes somehow it's raining during afternoon, during evening. So as you can see, a lot of people already around here. I meet the photographer uncle is here. Hi uncle.
Hey.
What's up you?
Thank you.
Madistorbo na naman.
Did you miss the shot?
Yeah. Sorry for missing the shot. Just only one watt.
You got so many, huh?
Yeah. Thank you.
Bye bye. Thank you. Filipino, right?
Yes.
Hey.
So thank you, Uncle, for having us and for enjoying with us.
Thank you very much. Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
Enjoy.
Same to you. So at this moment, we catch up some of the people around who are friendly. So we try to talk with someone so that we can have a right place to take a video and pictures. All right, guys, you need to be friendly all the time everywhere you are going. So at this moment they already start, but we can't see, it's because too far away. As you can see that side, you can zoom in and zoom out there, and then you can, yeah, they are going there right now. So we're just waiting in the right moment. So this moment guys is look like, yeah, they already start. We can hear on the stage, but we're too far away. So at this moment guys, they are starting the national anthem. So as you can see, the helicopter is carrying a flag, and it's wonderful, and enjoy watching the video of this guy. So finally the national anthem is done. So right now they are having the presentation of the helicopter, but we cannot see all the deeper because they are doing it deep on the clouds. So right now we're just continue waiting of the firework and take a look what are doing some exercise there. So but just wait the right moment for the fireworks later on. So just enjoy guys. But by the way guys, yes, here in Singapore they are very protective everywhere what they are doing around. They always have a security, even they are in the sea, in the corner they have a lot of police. But yes, that's for the security and for the safe for each and everyone who are watching, because there are thousands of people around here right now at this time. So this is it. So they're doing the rifle presentation and the what do you call this? I forgot it. So I'm so sorry about it. So just enjoy, guys.
Sakit sa puso.
So all of those people around there, they are already done. So they're slowly moving around and they're gonna want someone or everyone to take a photo with them. And that's the close, guys, which is very very nice, and they cooperate and everything. And right now, a few minutes later, they are already here, and these are the people who are presenting the rifles in some of the activities in the front of the esplanade. So that what a beautiful presentation. They're always doing this in every occasion, especially in Singapore Day. There will be more fantastic presentation. So we're gonna say thank you to them for a lot of effort, time, and everything that they're gonna do it in this time. So we will wait for the fireworks. So guys, what I say, that is the front, and we are at the back of the stage. So all wearing red and white are the people. So yes, that is what I say, that they have a lot of people surveying around the seashore. So yes, of course, the clouds is very nice over there cooperating. So guys, this is already 7 o'clock in the evening. So we're gonna wait for the fireworks, and I'm gonna try to wait for a long time and see you. And those are the people who are waiting as well for the fireworks display rehearsal. At this moment, it's already around 7:30, and they're right, like just only every 30 minutes they have like few seconds of fireworks. But we are just trying to wait and be patient to wait for the total presentation of the fireworks by 8 o'clock. So guys, dyan po talaga ang stage. So yung makapasok dyan, may mga ticket yan, at doon yung area na yan is puro siya exclusive sa mga taong may ticket. Tapos wala talagang other people na walang ticket dyan. Tapos yan ang front. Kaya dito yung may mga fireworks hanggang doon. So on the final, doon talaga usually. Pero may 4 place na may mga fireworks: Buena Vista, Amokyo, West, Jurong West. Yan na, tignan nyo ng mga tao, guys. Ayan po sila, mga tao po yan. So finally is back after 2 years na hindi nag-celebrate ng ganon karaming taong crowded. Ayun. Hanggang doon banda ang tao sa kabila. Ayun. That is it, and this is it. So guys, Marina, I am at the back of Marina and the front of Esplanade and the front of the stage, and the firework will be coming soon. The time that we are waiting for the fireworks is finally about to start. And continue watching and enjoy, guys. Oh my God! walk after the fireworks. After the quick firework. The rehearsal, guys, is done. Okay, are inside the Marina Shopping Center.